Okay, I think we are running. Booyah. Let's see here. We all getting in? Oh yeah. Here we go. Good morning. I don't know why, but my entire world has become early morning wake-ups. I feel like that guy changed and manipulated time. I've already lived 3 days. By 7:20 in the morning. The worst part is I was basically ready to start streaming about 20 minutes ago, and then I started playing around with settings, and now I don't even know if any of this is working. So, if anybody joins in, let me know. Hey, Loki, what up, big dog? Let me guess. Just finishing up work? Although it's Christmas Eve, hopefully you don't have to work today. Did you get some time off? Oh, there you go. That's some delicious coffee drinking. That's what I'm talking about. Took a sick day today? Nice. Good man. I won't tell anyone. Keep it a secret. Oh yeah, that's fair. I actually didn't know where you were. Like I mean, I knew I was pretty confident that you weren't in the US or Canada right now, but I didn't know you were in Saudi. There you go. Man, I'd love to get out there one time. Ah. Oh, how's your day going? Almost done? I mean, I know you took a sick day, but I don't know what time it is. Hold on. I'll also just... Oh, why am I dropping so many frames? What's going on here? Settle down, YouTube. Okay. All right. I think we're all set. It's 3:22 p.m. now. Nice. There we go. Yeah, it's funny. I don't know what's been going on, but the last like 5 days. Oh, just had a meal and I'm halfway through Pirates of the Caribbean 4. Oh, nice. I don't think I've ever seen Pirates of the Caribbean 4. I don't remember. I definitely watched the first 3. I don't know if I ever watched the 4th one. I like the shorts that came out of the PICO. Oh, thanks, man. I have a whole bunch more. So I did another stream. I don't know if you use Opus Clip, but it's sweet. Oh, go to Opus Pro. Let's go. I did another stream in the afternoon, and Shreyas was there. And I haven't had a chance to go through the clips, but I did a whole bunch of more PICO8 stuff, and actually it was even like more focused. So I'm hoping that some of those clips will come out really nice. But I haven't had a chance to go through. I was gonna do it last night, but then like I said, for whatever reason, I've been going to sleep at like 10 and then waking up at like 4 in the morning, and I just cannot get out of that. Oh yeah, Opus is really good. If you use it, I don't think anyone's ever used it, but I have an affiliate link. So if you're gonna use it, you 100% should use my affiliate link. I'm already in the, I have to find it now. I have it saved. I think it's on my other computer, but 100% you should use, look at all these videos. Woo. But no, let me try and find my, my, affiliate link. Cause yeah, I mean, if you're going to use it, you might as well. But I wonder if I just do it on stream. I'm already into it, so I don't know, but I just don't remember how to get there. It's like, I don't know. I'll find it. I'm gonna find it. I have it saved on, I think it's on my other computer though, but I'm gonna see if I can find it. But anyways, long story short, it is awesome. I really like it. Like, I found it does a really good job. There's always like a little bit of editing that I do afterwards from the videos that come out, but for the most part, they're pretty good. Let me see if I can find it. I'd set up Zen browser and I had like everything really well set up, and it was like it actually worked perfectly, and I had all my notes with all like my affiliate links in there. And then I don't know if you were using Zen, but all of a sudden I just found Zen like terrible. Yeah, they're really, I find their AI is really good at finding the right clips. So like even if you don't use the videos they edit, although for the most part I think you totally could, but even if you don't use the videos that they edit, their AI, how they built it, is actually really good at just going in and finding the right moments. And it's kind of cool. You can put in like, find the moments where I'm laughing, and then it'll go through and clip a bunch of that kind of stuff. So I think they do a good job. It actually was recommended to me by Flip, you know, Flip Media does. I don't know if he still does Prime stuff. He did for a while, I think. But it's awesome. I'm gonna find that affiliate link really fast. I know it's in here. Just gotta not be fools. Yeah, it's really good. I would definitely recommend it. Let me see if I can find it. It's gonna be in one of my emails. I do such stupid things. I like add a million emails all the time for no reason. Yeah, he doesn't do stuff for permanent. Oh, okay. I wasn't sure. I like Flip. He's a good guy. I mean, from my limited interactions with him, he was always nice. It's Joshua now? No, I don't know if I know Joshua. Or at least, I don't know if I've heard of him. But I think you're right. That sounds right. Because they're always saying, like, Josh, clip this and all that stuff. Man, must be nice to have people to do it for you, eh? Low-key? One day. One day, man. One day. We'll get there. We'll get there. I'm going to find this affiliate link really fast. And then I didn't know what I was going to do this morning. I was kind of feeling like just doing some random PICO8 stuff. Again, I really had fun doing it the other day. And I was like, oh yeah, I really like PICO8. It's a lot of fun. Okay, here we go. I got it. Got it. Oh, wait. No, I don't want to join. I want to sign in. Nope, it's not that one. My goodness. Oh, did I forget my password? Oops. Life. Okay, I forgot my password. Let me get this though, because I'm almost done. And then you have it, and then I'll have to save it somewhere. I know peeps in the esports world that do that sort of work well. Oh, that's cool. Man, that was like, so yesterday, what I did in the afternoon with Shreyas is I was just showing him some of the Splore in PICO8, which is like the community hub where you can post all the stuff you're working on, and then anybody can play it. And the coolest thing about PICO8 has always been that it can, at least in my opinion, has always been that it can, you can check all the code. So like anybody's game, and I'll show you that too. But like anybody's game that you can play, you can see all their code, and it's just awesome. I find it so cool. I want the editor to be interested in enjoying the VOD as well. Yeah, I know that's hard. Okay, oh here, nice. I got it. I got my link. Here you go, affiliate link for Opus Clip if anybody wants it. It is definitely worth it. When I first did it, I just straight up paid for the year, and it was great. I mean, I definitely had zero issues with it. To be honest, like obviously I started making videos pretty heavily at the start of the year, basically did nothing throughout the year, and now getting back into it. So I still have like a ton of credits that I need to use, but every time I've used it, I've always been pleased with the results. Especially because you just don't have time to do it all, right? Like, especially like if streaming's not your main source of income, which for me right now it's my zero source of income, but if it's not your main source of income, like you just can't afford to, you don't have time to do all the editing and all the other stuff if you're like me and you got a family and you got kids and you got a job and all that other stuff. It's like you need to find some shortcuts in the beginning, and Opus Clip has been a good one. I think it works quite well. All right, so I figured it was Christmas, Eve, kids are asleep, all the gifts are wrapped, everything's ready to rock and roll. why not do a little Pico? I didn't really have any like solid idea of what I wanted to do, but you know, why not? I almost low-key, I got stuck in that path again where I was like, I was sitting there and I'm just messing around with settings, and I was like, oh god, I gotta get out of this. If I just do settings all day, I'll never actually start streaming. It's more so a way to force myself to do something and hold myself accountable instead of bed rotting. Yeah, that's a good way to do it. Yeah, it is. It's a good way to build up your network. It's funny because like, here we're going way deep into the history of me. I've always been told that I'm a very outgoing person, but what's funny is I'm actually not. Like, being outgoing is a lot of work for me. Like, it drains me usually. So if I am out there, like if I'm engaging with a lot of people or out in public, like by the end of it, I'm just done. My whole body is just like, ugh, I'm finished. But for some reason, and I don't know why, after streaming, I'm jacked up. It's actually probably why it's good for me to do it in the morning, because when I did it at night, it'll be like 11 o'clock and then I finish, and again, I'm old and I have kids, and so I'm like, okay, it's 11, time for bed. But I would just be like amped, like my adrenaline was pumping. I was having such a good time that I'd like stay up for 2 more hours. It's just like, oh, this is fun and I really like doing this, but it's gonna destroy me if I can't get this bed on time. So I guess like it's kind of a good wake me up. It's like a morning run for other people. Because I really enjoy it. It is way more fun. Like when someone's in the channel and chatting to, it is like 1,000 times better. But I've definitely done like an hour or 2 hour long stream where it's just me, just talking to myself, and even that's fun. So I guess it's a good sign that I like it. I just need to be consistent. Consistency is my biggest problem in life. I get really into something. I do it a lot for like 3 weeks, and then I get bored of it, and then I forget, and then I feel guilty about not doing it. It is better than doom scrolling. I mean, even if I'm doom scrolling on stream, I feel like that's still better, right? Maybe. Maybe just a little bit. But the consistency is killer for me. So if I can, 2026, here's to hoping that I can stick it out. But that's the goal. I would love to just do this. Like, I love doing it every day. And even if it just becomes like an hour as a wake up before work, like that might be what it is for me. I don't know. I've started kind of admitting to myself that like I like being entertaining. And I'm not saying I am. Just to be clear. I'm not saying I'm good at it. But I really like it. Like, I really enjoy doing something and putting myself out there, and ideally people enjoy it. But just the act of doing it is really exciting. I've been getting really stuck in AI stuff with just all the stupid philosophical questions that are going around. But like, I was saying this earlier this morning. I feel so detached from anything that I make with AI. It's not that I dislike it. It's not that I think it's not that I think like all of it's bad or anything. But I feel like nothing. I feel like no connection to what I made, which is a weird feeling, because when I made other things, like as an example, here, oh, I tried a whole bunch of new scenes. Let's see if they work. This should work. Oh, do you still hear music? Hopefully. Yeah, I think music's working. Oh yeah, and I still got the chat on the PICO8 side. Oh, moving on new scenes. Okay, I also did one for gaming. Let's see if this one worked. Oh, it did switch. I connected them to do the vertical, but it didn't seem to work. But if I click it on vertical to gaming, that switches it in the main one for some reason. I don't know why. They're connected, but they only seem to be connected. Like, they only seem to link if I click them from vertical for some reason. I don't know why. But so I have a gaming one, This is an awesome game. Was I playing this with you yesterday morning? Oh, this game's a lot of fun. It's the Terminator 2D game. It's awesome. Look at me getting derailed and completely off track. But anyways. Oh, although this chat was supposed to be working. I tried to set it up so that there'd be a little chat window in here. Maybe I just did it to... Maybe I didn't set it up properly. This is why I can't do this, because I get too distracted. Yeah, that should work. Anyways, we'll fix that later. You can't see this because it's on vertical, not on desktop. So I don't know what I'm doing. But anyways, so yeah, now I've got 3 scenes. I've got my main scene, I've got my gaming scene, I've got my PICO8 coding scene, and then heck yeah. I still don't know why some of these don't switch over, but that's fine. I can live with that. One day I'll figure that out. But for now, I'm pretty pleased with this. So anyways, I was going to go into PICO8 coding because I wanted to do this. Getting derailed is part of the fun. It is. I did notice I should probably I need to make this chat window a little bit different on this screen. I think I cropped it too much. There, let me change this bottom crop. If I go to 250? No. 200? No. 150? This is how I code, by the way. Just randomly typing numbers in until something works. That's the only way I know how to do it. 100? What? Why is this going so much? There we go. 50. That works. Perfect. Oh, I see why. Because you can't actually see it because it's too far down. It doesn't even matter how far I'm doing this. Let's see if I pull this up a little bit. I don't want to block my face, but... Oh, yeah. I should just go down on the top. That's what I actually should do. See? Low-key, we're figuring this stuff out. Getting derailed. going off course. We're getting there. It's great. It's great. Here, what if we do this? Maybe even a little more. Let's do 250. And then we'll close that. And then we'll go down here. That's still a little too tall. We got to go a little lower. This is what you come for. This is what I offer as a streamer. I offer somebody who is very much mid in almost everything that they do, who will do a bunch of very stupid things and will try to do a lot of things and will mess up a lot, and you actually get to watch me figure out how to do it while being an idiot. It's kind of great. Okay, let's go 350. Trying in public, yeah, exactly. Exactly. I am not afraid to be foolish while I try new things, and that's what I am. I like that. That's what I'm going with from now on. I am a try guy. You know, I try in public. Sometimes things work out, sometimes they don't. You might come on and watch me struggle with the same issue for 40 minutes. Like, it took me so long to figure out how to get multi-chat to work, and then I just did the most hacky way of just doing a window capture instead of bothering with the overlay. But, like, it works. It clearly works. So, whatever. You know, what are you gonna do? Okay. Since we've now successfully showcased our really awesome scenes, let's dive into PICO8 just a little bit here. This is my favorite part. Tell me if you can hear the boot up sound really quick, because I just don't know. I just want to make sure the PICO8 sound is coming through properly and is loud enough over the music without being ridiculous. Could you hear that? The doodle-diddy. Because I hope so. Because I want it to be just loud enough that people can hear it. Yeah? Okay. Nice. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. So, what are we going to do? Who knows? Oh, here, Loki. I didn't show you this. I was showing Shreyas the other day, but this is actually one of the things I started building that I absolutely love. Pico Vader. Oh, what did I call it? Hold on. C space dev Pico Vader. CD says Pico Vader. Oh, no, it is just Pico Vader. Okay, check this out. This is what I started. I wanted to build a little PICO8 Star Wars game where you just do like lightsaber battles. And I started it. I didn't do it. There's obviously no damage or like the hitboxes work in the sense that it will track if somebody gets hit, but I didn't do any like damage or make any plans for what else to do. But the idea was over time, I would add in a bunch of other players, like a bunch of other characters. And then you could fight them with lightsabers. Did I actually make any other players? Oh yeah, I made Darth Maul. I forgot about Darth Maul. Oh, and Luke. Okay, I forgot I made Darth Maul. Come on, that's a pretty good pixel art Darth Maul, right? For an 8x8. Oh, now you can't really see it. But I mean, you can sort of see it. I don't remember how to expand this. Oops. Nope, there. Is it control? No. Is it shift? No. Alt? No. Z? No. X? No. There's a shortcut key to make this square bigger so you can see more and edit more. Oh, I guess it's not 8x8. I lied. It's 16x16, but still. How do I do this again? Oh yeah, there we go. Like, come on, that's pretty sweet looking. I was pretty proud of this guy. Now, how do I put him in the game? Can I even remember how to do it? Move Vader. Yeah, that's fine. I just have to change the sprite. But how do... Oh, yeah. Oh, I did do it as a character name. I was thinking about this pretty heavily. If char equals 0, then Maul. Okay, I just have to set the char. Where did I do that? Up here? Probably in it? Make player. Yeah, check this out. Oh, man. Sometimes I am pretty smart. Boom. There's Darth Maul, baby. Heck yeah, man. Oh, I gotta finish this game. I don't know what I want to do with it, though. Was I smart enough to make it so that I could actually change who the enemy was? I don't think I was that smart. I don't think I built it that far. Anyways. That's Luke. Make player. Yeah. Move Vader. Oh, yeah, I just straight up called him Vader. Anyways, it's awesome. It's all Lua. I feel like I need to, like... I'm gonna have to do, like, a giveaway of PICO8 again, because I just love this console so much. I know I'm a broken record, but it was so beneficial to me as a person who always liked to code, loves to draw, and just being able to build everything within the constraints of the fantasy console was just, it was a light bulb. It was just that light bulb moment. I don't know if I've ever told this story before, but in school, I will never forget, in grade 8, it's when we started algebra. And for some reason, the idea that there were letters in math problems, I could not figure it out. Like, I would sit there, I would work on the problems, and it would drive me up the wall because I didn't get it. I'd just be like, why is there an A in this equation? Like, I don't want an A, I want a number. And it would make me so mad. And I would just sit there doing homework for hours, just unable to figure it out. And there was no like specific moment. But all of a sudden, one day, it just clicked. Like, it was literally one of those moments of the day before I couldn't understand it, and the day after I scored 100% on every test. And it was amazing. Like, I will never forget that feeling of just all of a sudden going, oh my God, I get it. Like, oh, you just replaced the letters. Like, it's just a symbol. It's a stand-in. And that moment was one of those, like, it just, I got it immediately. And then it changed everything about my math. I was able to go, I did calculus in high school. Like, I'm still not a great math person, mathematician, or a speaker of words. Um, but it changed everything for me. Like, it was just one of those, like, oh wow, I figured this out now and I get it and I can do it. And I was just able to do it from then on without any issues. And it was awesome. That's what Pico 8 was for me and coding. I have been always goofing around with computers, always playing around with computers, always coding, always doing things. But I'd always hit walls and get stuck. Even just like, it was almost always the silliest thing of just like, how do I set up a environment to code a Python script? Like, I just didn't get it. I would get to that point, I'd be reading the tutorials, and I'd bought a book on Python or something, and I'd be reading through it, and they'd be talking about putting in the code, and I would just sit there going like, but like, where? This is before I knew about IDEs or NeoVim or anything, and I was just like, I don't get it. Like, what do you mean you put the code here? Like, I understand you want me to put it in something, and then I understand you want me to run it, but like, where do I put it? And I legitimately could not figure it out for the life of me. And I'd get stuck and start for so many years of just getting to that point, giving up, moving on. Then I found Pico 8, and there was something about the ability to take what was in my head and see it happen on screen super quickly. Like, that changed everything for me. That was just an absolute change. Hi, Marvin. Thanks for swinging by. I'm just talking about Pico 8 and how it literally changed everything in my world when it came to understanding coding. And right now I have Pico 8 open. I was just playing. I'd found a game that I started working on a long time ago where I was going to make a game that you could play as Star Wars characters and have lightsaber battles. But I haven't finished it. I haven't played it in a long time either. But I was just kind of messing around with it, showing people what's up. But okay, here. I did this last time, but I'm going to do it again because to me, it is the coolest thing. Oh yeah, that's fine. I don't need to save that. Okay. So, first of all, actually, let me throw in a link for Pico 8 because I think if you have any interest in coding and game development, you will not find a better tool to get into it. I don't think. It's inexpensive. I think it's like $15. And there's an amazing community of people in Pico 8 where there's just this incredible group of people who are on a Discord. They're all willing to help. But then even if you don't want to interact with people, one of my personal favorite things, and I was showing this the other day, but if I open up Explore, I can go into the featured games. Excuse me. Did you know 2 plus 2 equals 2 because there's an additional 2 that nobody talks about because the government doesn't want anybody to know about it? I didn't know that. I actually did not. Here, real quick. So this is one of my favorite things. So you open up Explore. This is a game somebody built. I can play it. Awesome. Very cool. Oh yeah, this is a great game, right? I could probably do this better, but long story short, this is the game. But here's what I love. Say I don't like those red balls. I'm like, those red balls are silly. I now have access to their code. And if I can figure out where the ball coloring is, they're probably sprites. There you go. I can go in and say, okay, I actually don't like this color ball. I want to add an orange stripe to it. Which, don't get me wrong, that is ugly and not a good choice. But let's just say I want to do that. Now, I can rerun the game. I can play it. And... Oh, shoot, I forgot to save it. Or I forgot... Wait, actually, why didn't that work? Is that the right ball? Oh, maybe it's not the right ball. They have lots of red balls. Hold on. I'm going to add the orange to all of them because I want this to work. But I don't know enough about I didn't look at any of their codes. Oops. So I have no idea what which ball is actually the one that they are using. Let's see. Did I get all the balls probably? Yeah. Okay, perfect. Now let's try it again. So here. Let me open this up. Now this time. Hey, Loki, trying in public. Trying in public. Now we're going to open it up again. Try it again. And this time, that orange line should be in this ball. Oh my gosh, no. Why is it not there? Now I'm just an idiot. Is it because it's loading the Explorer version? What is happening? I shouldn't have to save it. Just an idiot. Ah! That should work. Now I don't know. I don't know why it's not working. And it's freaking me out. I wanted to show something cool, and now I'm just ruining it. Because I don't know what I'm doing. Why did that not work? That should work. Oops. Okay, let's try one more time. I just want to figure out why it's not working. Why is it not gonna work? I already know it's not gonna work, but I don't know why. Okay. Yeah, what the heck? Okay, got through that round. That was sweet. Where's my orange line? What have I done? Why is that not working? Ah! That's supposed to work. What did I do? Okay, we got to figure out where he's doing sprite. SPR. No SPRs here. Okay, update. SPR. No SPRs. Is he not actually using the sprites? Oh, there we go. Sprite 0. That's the banner. I want the draw sprite 110. No, I don't want that one. I need not sprite 16. I need sprite, like, what's this one? Sprite 19 or 52 or 23. Which one is it? Oh, this is hilarious. This is my life. I'm going to do something short and simple to show everybody how cool it is and what you can do. But this code is more complicated than I was ready for, to be honest with you. But I really thought changing that sprite would just update it, and I don't actually know why. Maybe I have to save it. Let's save it. Oh, cannot overwrite BBS card. Ah, maybe that's why, because it's still loading from the BBS. Although I don't think that's right. Okay, I'm going to save this. Save test. Test2.p8. Now load test2.p8. Now run. I'm really hoping this time it's there. Because if it's not there this time, if that new sprite isn't there, then I don't even know anymore. No! Why are you not loading? I can see that you're in here. Oh, no. That doesn't make sense. I've lost it. Oh, here. Oh, because you used the map. Oh, no, but those are still on here. Okay, I've lost it, guys. I've lost it. I'm sorry. I really thought this was going to be like a, look how easy it is to update this really fast. And then now it's not updating. I'm just going to try adding stuff to all these balls because I want to know why it's not working. Come on, pink ball. One of you should do something. Oh, this is so silly. He must have something in the code that is preventing that from doing what it should do. Or I'm using the wrong color. Maybe he's overwriting that color. Yeah, I have no idea. Oh, I'm such a fool. Okay. Here, we're going to try something more intense. What if I just delete all of these? Will they still work? What if I just erase them all? Because maybe it's something... There is a thing in PICO8 of like loading like cart data and you can do stuff. But like, okay, if this doesn't affect anything, like what if I just draw all over this? If this doesn't affect anything, then I give up. Oh, okay, well that worked. So that sprite's coming through. So it's something to do with the balls. Oh yeah, well there you go. Now they're not coming in. So there you go. I don't know what I was doing. Oops. I have no idea. Let's go back. Let's take all this back. Let's try again. Okay, so I do not know why those don't load, but at least we figured out. Here, let's start over. Hey everybody, I'm going to show you how cool it is with PICO8 that you can just take somebody else's code and edit the code, edit the sprites, do whatever you want, and then run the game yourself. Here, check this out. If I wanted to say, change the pink in the bubble gum, I could take a red and I could go from pink to red. Wow, very cool. Now the best part about this is now that I've changed it to red, when I go back and launch the game, this title will be in red instead of pink. Isn't that awesome? Look, it's red instead of pink. We did it. I still don't understand why the balls didn't work, but that worked. So there you go. Anyways, that's still my favorite part. It's very cool that you can just see what other people are working on. Change whatever you want. Edit the code, make it do whatever you want, and then you have a game that works that you can just play around with and have fun with. So now, I think what I was going to do, just for a little bit, is let's just make something. We're going to reboot. We're going to start over. And let's just, let's make something quick. I just want to show you how easy it is. So now it's been a while since I've done this, so stick with me. Oh, also, did the music stop? I think it did. Hold up. Oh, yeah. Oh, I see why. Because it ran out of time. I'm going to turn it back on. Afternoon Jazz? Christmas Study Lo-Fi? Let's do that one. Oh, yeah, baby. That's good. Nobody told me the music ended. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. All right, so what we're gonna do is have some fun with PICO8. We're gonna make something small, just for a good time. All right, so this is how straightforward PICO8 is. This is the screen you get to. This is the coding editor. This is all you need to start. You need to init, which is where you load up your initial variables. You need an update. Oh, I forgot that they can do that. And you need a drop. You can do update or update 60. Update 60 is just 60 frames per second. Update is 30 frames per second. Here, I'll actually show you. It's kind of cool. So we can do something super simple. So we're going to init. I don't even know if I actually need. We're just going to clear the screen to start. You don't even need that. I might not need it right now because I'm going to do something super basic. But we are going to do update. We're going to draw a circle fill of 20, 10, 10. Oh, that's, I think it's, ooh, is it radius, location, color. All the colors are just these, and they all have numbers. So you can see down here. Excuse me, sorry. They all have numbers. So if I want this ball to be red, I can just say 8. So 8, and I believe, if I'm correct, that will at least show up. Yep, there it is. Great. And it's starting at 10, 10. 5 is the radius, so we're actually gonna go 2. Oops. Well, maybe is 2 not the radius? No. Oh, okay, it goes X, Y, radius. So that's radius. Yeah. And so we'll go 50, put her in the center. There, we got a ball. Pretty sweet. Easy. Doesn't do anything. Now we can do update. So instead of having set positions, we need those to be variables. So we can start it with x equals 50, y equals 50. So when it inits, it'll have the variables set. You can do this in a bunch of other ways, but this is an easy way to start. There, still there. Now we can update them. So if we want to update them, we can just do something as simple as each time update runs, so it's going to run 60 times per second, we can do x plus equals 1, y plus equals 1. Now that should move diagonally. Now it will go off the screen right away. So let's say we don't want it to go off the screen. Then we can do if, oops. There's a function, or here, we can just do x equals mid of 0 to x to 128, I think is right. Now that should stop on the x. Oops, I let it go down too far on the y. Y equals mid 0 through y, 128. Is that right? Will that stop? Yes, okay. So that keeps it from going there. So you can do, so that keeps it from going off the screen, but it obviously doesn't help it bounce or anything. So you have to actually set up some more interesting things, like if x is greater than, we'll do 120, then x plus, no, we'll go minus equals 1. Now that should, there we go, perfect. I don't know if you saw that, but it stopped. And then you can do if y is greater than, greater than 120, then y minus equals 1. Now that should change direction. Oh, nope. Why didn't that do it? Because I'm not thinking. If y is greater, here. First, we'll do this. So we can do some debugging while we're working on print x, y. Okay, so, oh, don't want that. Print x, print y. Let's see here. So it's getting to 120, and then it's stopping because it goes back to trying to add them in, doesn't it? So I need an else. Else x plus equals 1, and else y plus equals 1. Now that should work. Nope. Oh, it's so close. It's because it's trying to go back. This is literally how I code. I'm not a good coder. And I also haven't done this in a long time, and so my brain does not remember how to do anything ever. But it's because I get too involved in just thinking about, I just like the graphics more, to be honest with you. Okay, the reason this doesn't work is because, oh, because I did the mid here. That's why. That's not going to work anymore. Okay, I just want to do this first. No, okay. Close. We're getting close. If it's greater, I can't do an else, can I? Or I need another if. Because if it's greater than 120, it goes down to minus, but then that puts it under 120, and then it starts going back up. So I think what I actually need to do is this. Maybe not, but whatever. If it's less than 120, then that. Let me try that. If y is less than 120, then will that work? No, that's getting stuck at 120, obviously. So I need this to be like 119. 119. Okay. I am not thinking clearly right now and doing a very terrible job at showing you what this is. So, you're welcome. I just can't even think. What am I trying to do? I need to think through this more. Okay. If it's moving, you know what? Let's just start with 1. Let's just start with x. Why do 2? If x is less than 120, then x plus equals 1. So now that should continue to move and go right to the end. Perfect. Now how do we get it to go backwards? if x is greater than 120, then I want to set it to go back the other way. What I'm really looking to do is, actually just shift it. I just want it to go back. I'm just trying to, what's the word that I'm looking for? It's just a binary swap. Hold on. Oh, yep. Hold on a sec. I'm just getting a message from work early right now. Absolutely. Will do shortly. Okay. Excuse me. Hold on, I gotta go into LinkedIn. All right. Okay. How did I do this before? I've done this before. Oh my gosh, I haven't actually coded in a really long time. I've gotten really bad at this. Okay. If it is... Oh, I know. I need a changing direction. That's what I actually need. I need a dx equals 0. Yes. Okay, now watch this. If x is less than 120, then dx equals that. If x is greater than 120, the dx plus minus equals 1. And then x equals... Oh, there's an easy way to do this. Is it just x equals dx? Is that right? Oh, okay. That sort of works, but not exactly what I wanted it to do. We're getting better, though. We're getting closer. Okay. I don't remember. Is it just... I think I just need to do this. Equals... I don't want to add it, although that was cooler. I think I want to do that. Okay, closer. It's just the switching problem. I still have a problem with the switching. Oh, I know this is such a simple problem. Oh, I hate that I'm so bad at this right now. And it's been too long. I know I could cheat and I could look it up somewhere else, but I refuse. Just like Loki and I talked about earlier. It's all about trying in public and making a fool of yourself and being silly. So, okay. I have a variable that determines the change, which, oh, that's change. That's really just how fast it's going. I just want the direction. I guess I could do, oh, what if I do this? This is so stupid. If I do equals 120, then x plus equals minus equals 1. And then if x equals the other side of the screen, which we'll say is 10, so it doesn't go off the screen, then x plus equals, oh shoot, plus equals 1. Is that it? Oh, nope, that doesn't move. Oh, because then I still need the, so then I need to run, oh yeah, this. I just need to run if x equals 1. Oh yeah, I need to do x plus equals 1. Nope. Of course, that doesn't make sense. X. Okay, what if we do it as a dx? I'm losing my mind. I'm absolutely losing my mind. We're gonna try this. Oh my god, why can't I do this right now? No, I'm missing. I need to let it go, and I can't figure out why. Oh, this is such a simple problem. I'm just losing my mind. Okay, we're almost there. I can feel it. We're almost there. I just need to keep it going. I need to get it started. It always needs to have motion. So it always needs to be X needs to be doing something on each update. So it needs to be doing plus equals dx. That's fine. Then I need it to move though, because I need it to always be moving. Is it, do I need greater than or equal and less than or equal? No. Oh my gosh. This is so stupid. There's such an easier way to do this. What am I doing with my life? It's Christmas Eve. It's a Christmas Eve miracle that I even can survive in life with how silly and bad I am with this stuff. Oh God. Nobody's gonna believe me that I actually made any of those other games. Nobody's gonna buy it. All I wanted to do was have the silly circle bounce back and forth. And I just can't do it because I am a fool. Okay. Okay. I need a speed. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna make this so complicated. A speed of 1. Okay, you ready for this? So this is gonna be speed plus dx. Okay, ready? Nope. Plus equals. Oh, okay. Okay, we're getting there. Equals. What happens if we do this? Nope. I guess I should print these statements. Okay, we're gonna do this. We're gonna do speed, and we're gonna do print dx. We can debug this. We're gonna get through this. Okay, so it's saying 1, 1. Hold on. What did I do? Speed is 1, that's fine. And then dx. Oh, because I'm doing it the wrong way. If it equals 120, it becomes 1. I need it to become -1. Okay. Okay. -1 is not what I need, though. I need speed plus times dx, right? Speed. If I, will this be right? I know I'm doing this. I'm doing this so complicated. Oh my God. I give up. I can't. I don't give up. I can't with how dumb I am at this. No, I'm getting rid of all of this. We're starting over. Holy jeez. Okay. Here we go. Let's just start with moving the ball. Ready? We're just going to start with moving the ball. So we are going to say x equals, no, plus equals speed. That should move it all the way across. Okay, perfect. Now, if x, oh, okay, we got it. I think I got it now. If x is greater than or equal to 120, I didn't explain this. The reason I'm doing 120, the screen size is 128 by 128, so it's I could technically go to like 123, but ideally I want it to look, actually if I go to 123, that'll be the best. I want it to look like it's hitting a wall. Okay, then, okay, ready? You ready for this? Then, I could just go negative speed equals negative speed. Can I do that? There's a better way to do this, I think. I'm gonna try this though. Ready? Oh my gosh. Guys, we did it. We did it. Okay, now we need to do it the opposite way. If x is less than or equal to, and if I want it to be hitting right at the wall, I need to give it 5, so I think it's just 5. Okay, you ready? Oh, what is flickering? Sorry, my background is flickering. Is that just bad? Is that my light? Okay, I think I fixed it. Okay, equal to 5, then speed equals speed. Is that gonna work? Okay, let's see. Will this ball bounce back and forth? No, because it doesn't equal speed. I need it to... Oh, there's a way to swap it. There's like a... There's a command in here that I cannot remember. I mean, I could do it as this. Absolute speed. And then it'll switch back. But there's a better way to do that. I mean, that works, though. Hey, we did it. Yay. Ah, I'm sure I overcomplicated the heck out of this, but hey, we did it. Okay. Then we can also do... And we can do Y. But this is why I know I'm doing it wrong. It shouldn't be speed as the main variable. It should be the change in X or the change in Y. But I could also do this. If X equals that, or Y is greater than or equal to 123, then go in reverse, or Y... Yeah, this is bad. It needs to be a change in X and a change in Y. I don't know why I'm doing this so stupidly. Well, I do. It's because I'm not good at this. But I'm just annoyed. Will this work though? Yeah, okay. So that's good. It does work. It's just not the right way to do it. I know there's a better way to do it. Okay. Then if we wanted to do it something a little more interesting, we'd have to change this whole thing because I did a terrible job. Anyways, okay, we did it though. I have very much undersold how amazing this is with my ineptitude, but we did get a ball on screen. I mean, it is bouncing. It's doing a little bit of what I wanted. There's a much better way to do this that I know how to do because I've actually done it before, but I cannot remember how to do it right now. Here, how did I do it on here? Let's find out. Goodbye, code. You are gone to me. Load first stream. I did this a long time ago. See, look at this guy. He's got some good action. I mean, he's not moving by himself, so. But look, he's fun. Yay. Anyways. All right. Well, this was fun for me. I hope it was fun for somebody else. I did an absolutely terrible job explaining how great PICO8 is today, but it is awesome, and I highly recommend it if you're looking to get into coding. I will definitely come back and do some more. I don't know if probably won't do any tomorrow because it's Christmas, so streaming. I'm gonna probably go read up in my spare time about how to code again so that I can do a better job. But thank you for anyone who stopped by. I really appreciate it. And go buy PICO8. Okay, I'm out of here. You all have a great day and enjoy your holidays if you have them. And if you don't, then I hope you just get to spend some nice time with your family. All right. Merry Christmas. Have an awesome day, everybody. Bye.